Hey everybody, it's Noelle Farm Girl Scavenger with a quick tutorial for you on how to access Terapeak research on eBay through your mobile device. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up eBay and you're going to come up here to these three bars in the corner and you're going to scroll all the way down to the Help Center. And we're going to wait for that. Now on the search bar, Terapeak search, and you're going to go right here. Just sit right there, and it's a 2-minute article. You can read the article, and then it also comes right down here. Go to Terapeak product research, and this is going to open up Seller Hub just like you would have on your desktop or your laptop on your phone. And you can go right in here and you can type anything in. Let's type what I've been listing the last couple of days. Artisania Rinconada. And we will search. And what you are going to see is, now I didn't put any specific figurines in. I'm doing a broad search. So what it's going to give us is you're going to see, just like you would on the computer, let's see, average shipping, free shipping, total sold, your sell-through rate, how many sellers are selling it, total sales. And this should be for the last 90 days, but you can go up here and change all your filters, correct your price filters, top rated, format filter, auctions, all that good stuff. Search for buy it nows. Those are the solds. You can switch over here to the actives, and so on and so forth. So that is how you do that. And currently live on eBay today. And then it's just going to go down here. You got your nice little graph, just like you would have if you were doing it from your computer, right? And all the sales, everything that's been. And you got, let's see, page 1 of however many results per page is 50. So if you really need to get into Terapeak while you are outsourcing because you are just not sure and you've done all your searches on all the other platforms, I start with Google first. I don't even start with eBay comps. Start with Google first and then look at all the different platforms that's selling it. Then if you want to get a little bit deeper, then you can do this. So I hope that helps, and happy hunting.